Welcome back and thank you for staying with us. Moving forward with our news outlook at 1. Now to matters business, where Public Service Commission has unmasked close to 20,000 ghost workers on the government payroll. A report by the Commission has flagged what is seemingly a bloated public service that is draining public coffers. In the annual report covering the 2022-2023 financial year, PSC established that there were 19,467 additional employees in different government agencies and departments against the approved staffing levels. Our reporter Joyce Tati now reports.
The revelation by the Public Service Commission, the civil service employer, confirms reports by the Control of Budget on mismatch in the country's expenditure, where 70% of budgetary allocations to both national and county governments is spent on recurrent expenditure, paying salaries, with a mega 30% or less spent on development. A report by the PSC, which tracks the performance of the public sector, revealing that in the 2022-2023 financial year, 19,467 unauthorized staff were added to the government payroll, against the recommended staff establishment to ministries and departments. Ministries and departments accounting for the highest number at 12,535, followed by state and corporation and sagas at 4,558, and public universities at 2,287. 6 organizations had disparities with an excess of over 100 staff compared to what was in the staff register. These include the state house at 483 and the new cooperative creameries at 492. 15 organizations had excess staff, with a commission listing 5 that had over 50% additional staff over and above their recommended staffing levels. The organizations with over 50% excess staff include the Kenya Medical Supplies Authority at 115%, followed by the National Water Harvesting and Storage Authority at 72%, State Department for Devolution at 61%, State Department for Higher Education and Research at 69%, and State Department for Immigration and Citizen Services at 59%. 4 organizations listed as having defied the Commission recommendation in the previous financial year regarding excess staff levels. These are KEMSA, the State Department for Transport, the State Department for Higher Education, and the State Department for Devolution. The excess establishment resulted in underutilization of staff, bloated wage bill, and strained workplace facilities. Only 21 organizations out of 523 had developed a comprehensive human resource management and development plans, which informs recruitment and training. The Commission has since recommended that all public organizations develop human resource management and development plans by 30th June 2024. For Tandao News Look at 1, I'm Joyce Tati.